Hello everyone. In this video we're going to discuss on how to perform a regression analysis in Excel. The analysis may be a single variable regression analysis or a multiple variable regression analysis. We'll discuss on both. So basically I'll start by providing some values of X and Y. So basically I'll start with the single variable regression analysis. So I'll just give some values of X here. And then I'll just give the value of y as 2 times x. So basically we will start by already knowing the relation between x and y, that is y is 2 times x. Now we'll see this relationship using regression analysis. So for that we'll need to click on the data tab here. So I'll just click on this data, then click on the data analysis. You can see that I've already this is hovering over the regression here. So you'll just need to click on this regression and then press OK. You'll firstly need to give the input y range. So I'll just click on this value and then select the y range. Please note that I have also selected the letter y here and then press enter. Similarly, I'll select the x range as well. So please note that I've also selected x here and then press enter. Because I've selected the x and y values here, I'll click on this label here. If you have not selected x and y, you don't need to click this tick mark here. Then I'll select the output range. I'll just select here and then press enter. After doing that, you'll just need to press this OK button here, and the regression analysis is performed and is completed. The most important values in this summary output is this r-square value. Let me highlight it. This x-intercept and y-intercept. So I'll just highlight it, and the p values here. The value of r-square here is 1. So a perfect regression or perfect relationship is formed. So basically what you need to know is that if the value is closer to 1, a good relationship can be observed, and if the value of this r-square is near to 0, then no relationship can be observed. So that's that. What you need to also know is that the p-value here should represents the influence of these values on the value we're needing to know. So basically a value closer to 0 represents that there is some certain relationship between these two variables. Yeah, the intercept y is observed here, and also the coefficient of x is seen here. So the coefficient of x can be observed. So let me type the values of x and y here again. Let me provide a value of x as 1. Now I'll get the value of y from the regression analysis. So basically I'll need to click on equals to the value of x times the value of coefficient of x, that is 2 here, plus the intercept, that is this, and then press enter. So you can see that when the value of x equals to 1, y equals to 2, that is actually true. Also when the value of x is 8, the value of y is 16, again that's true. Now let me provide a value like 3.5. So we can see that y equals to 7. So that is not available here, but it seems to be true. Now let me perform an analysis where we don't know the relationship between x and y. Let me just generate some random value. So I'll just type in 3, 5, 8, 9, 6, 5, 2, 3. I'll just delete this output summary and then again perform the regression analysis. For that I'll just press on data, again data analysis. I'll click on select regression. I'll select these values, that's okay. Again I'll select these values. I'll click on label. I'll just select the output range. So I'll click on here and then press enter. Now you can see that the value of r-square is closer to 0. That means that no proper relationship is observed between the values of x and y. You can also see that the p-value is not that close to 0, so the interdependence is quite minimum or not that significant. So when I type a value of x and y here, we can see that for x equals to 1, the value of y equals to x times the coefficient of x plus the intercept, that is this, and then press enter. We can see that when I press the value of x equals to 1, the value of y should have been 3, but this regression analysis is giving us a value of 6.25. From this, you can also conclude that when the value of r square is closer to 0, the regression relationship observed might not be true, or it may also give false result as well. That can be seen here. Again, I will just type a value of x as 8. You can see that the value of y is 4. However, this seems to be a little bit closer, so it seems quite true. So this is how you can perform the single regression analysis.